In this video, I will show you how to search within a YouTube channel. So I'll be showing you how to search for specific videos on a YouTube channel without having to scroll through the entire channel. Whether you're looking for an older video, trying to find a specific tutorial, or just want to quickly locate content from your favorite YouTube creator, this guide will show you how to use YouTube search features to find exactly what you're looking for. If this video helps you out today, don't forget to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, creator guides, and easy tech guides. Now, there's actually two ways you can do this. So as you can see, we're currently here on youtube.com. The first way to do this, I'm going to use my channel as an example, but say for example, I was looking for topics on Discord within my YouTube channel. What I can do is use the search box, type Discord, and then put a space and type my channel name afterwards. Once I've done that, I'm just going to hit enter to search for this. And as you can see, it's going to bring up my channel and it's going to bring up some videos related to what I was looking for. Now, the problem with this is it's not really that consistent. As you can see, it does pull a lot of Discord videos from my channel, but you can see there's other channels and other videos coming up as well. So another way to do this is if you actually come to the channel that you want to search within, which again, we're going to use my channel as an example. And once you're on the channel homepage, if you look at the top, you can see we've got a little search button here. Give that a click. And again, what we can do is search for the kind of content we want to find. So again, I'm going to type Discord and then hit enter. And you'll now see it's going to bring up all the Discord videos that are just for my channel. So that's how to search within a YouTube channel. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more YouTube and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.